Welcome back to the channel, guys. Craig again, howtopest.com. Today's product, Altosid Pro-G IGR. Not to be confused with Altoids, so don't pop this and start dumping it into your pie hole, okay? It's not going to make your breath smell any better.
Oh, that's bad breath.
Probably keep your mosquito larva free, but that's about it. What is this product? It's an IGR. IGR is a insect growth regulator. It interrupts the reproduction cycle of the insect, the mosquito. So it's not going to kill the adult mosquito. It's not going to kill the pupil. It's going to kill the eggs and the larva. So that's really what you want. You're trying to wipe out that population before it gets out of control and you're just getting lit up all spring and summer long. How do you use this? Well, I'm going to show you. It comes in a shaker jar, 2 lids. One lid is for pouring out more. The other lid is like a salt shaker, just a really big salt shaker. So what you do is you pop off the lid, take off the paper coating, and then it exposes the holes for your application of choice. This is a 2.5 pound bottle, which will treat over 20,000 gallons of water. How they explain using this is 80 granules per gallon of water. So it's really hard to determine what 80 granules are. So it's kind of an eyeball kind of a procedure, just not in your hand, but just whatever application you're putting this in, crop areas, non-crop areas. Read the label for the application sites, but it's pretty broad. With any mosquito program, the most important thing before you do Altosid or any other type of treatment for them is go around, inspect the property, and dump any standing water, whether it be in a flower pot, in a old tire, etc. You need to get rid of all that stuff so you're not just combating everything out there. Like you treat one, but they're breeding somewhere else. So once you do that, it's really going to help you in your mosquito control program. Once you've done that, then you apply this as we just talked. So whether it be a pond, a decorative fountain, whatever it may be, 80 granules per gallon of water. If it's more than that, then just kind of, you know, eyeball what you think is more than that it needs for that application. What else? 30-day residual on this. So you need to stay on top of it. You need to, every 30 days, reapply it to those areas that are going to continually have water. I just had a brain fart, but this, oh, I know what I was going to tell you. So we have a new product out there, and it is called Mosquito Con. This can be used in Mosquito Con. It's kind of like a mosquito station it's kind of disguised as a bait box. So you just put those inconspicuously around the area, and you'd be perfectly fine dumping this in there also. But this would be every 30 days. You need to reapply this to the Mosquito Con. The Mosquito Con has other applications that go with it, but you could use it there. But any standing water, I was trying to look around and see if anything racked my brain for other standing water. Any type of like drainage that you have for the irrigation lines at your yard that are pulling up water, they'd be good for that. Other than that, this product is really cut and dry. You got water where they breed, dump in some Altosid Pro-G. Oh, got rhymes today. IGR. And every 30 days, reapply. Any questions? Craig here, howtopest.com. Got a fly that won't leave me alone. We'll talk about fly products later. Thank you for liking. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and have a great day, guys.